Just a hint of swing. And I'll be really interested to see. It's a lovely shot, a lovely piece of timing. And let's see how good the outfield is. It's very quick, it will run away for 4. Lovely stuff from Conway. Oh, that's pulled away, touch short that time. Conway very strong through that region, will pick up his second boundary of the over. Oh, that's dealt to by Conway. That's gone all the way up into the bank. Touch short. Devon Conway will bring up 50. What an innings from New Zealand's left-hander. Terrific knock.
Oh, top edge, swept. Clearly looking to get through that 50, manufacturing something, did it well in the end. Young moves through to his half century. He does get it, he gets it round the corner. Devon Conway comes back to Test cricket and comes to the party.
Magnificent, absolutely magnificent from Devon Conway. The crowd loves it, and so does he.
In the air and gone, yes, they've got Taylor. They've dragged him into an expensive shot outside off stump. He hasn't got over the top, and he's perished.
Oh, he's played it on. He's played it on, inside edge onto the stumps. Bangladesh pick up their 5th for the day, and Abadot has his first on the money to start. Oh, it's a very good morning and a welcome to Brendan McCullum.
Go at the stumps.
Catch and taken. Good catch. He deserved that, did Shoreful. Got the ball in the right place, enough movement, and Ravindra's on his way.
Oh, that's in the air, but it's well controlled. That's it very well, in fact. That'll be 4. 50 for Nichols as well.
And he goes to the reverse. Out! Good catch. It's Shadman again. He's just put down Bolt, but he takes Nichols, who has to go for 75. And Bangladesh have done an excellent job in bowling New Zealand out for 328.
Catch it! Got it! Neil Wagner! First ball after drinks. There he is.
Oh, a bit more air. He's gone after it. He's gone after it. It's gone all the way. What a blow. What a blow from Santo. What a way to bring up 50. Does it in style. And raises the bat to his teammates. Terrific knock.
Oh, he's got him. Wagner's got him. He made the change. The ball swung from wide. Santo's gone. Wicket number 2 for New Zealand.
Field. Finger stays down from Chris Brown.
Are they going up? This is going to be so interesting. Last ball of the day. No, too late. Starts down the leg side.
Get it! Can't get it! Whoa, that was a beauty. That was the in-swinger. And with an old ball, it's still swinging. It found the inside edge.
Straight through him on this occasion, Trent Bolt. A much-needed wicket for the New Zealand side, and Bolt's the one to grab it. Up on the pads from Trent Bolt. Litton Das happy to have a piece of that one. Pitched up from Southey, the width on offer as well. Das puts it away. On the pull on this occasion, gets past square leg as well. That'll run away. Second boundary of the over now to Das.
Slow ball, that one. Had a little bit of swing on it, but it was nudged for 4. Not timed brilliantly, but timed well enough to bring up 50 for the skipper. He's worked hard for that one. 288 for 4.
Short. That's hammered away. And that will be 50 for Lytton Darcy. He'll come back for 2. His 11th Test match 50 for Bangladesh and his first against New Zealand. Terrific innings.
That's hit. That is definitely hit. That's a healthy edge. And Lytton Darcy's gone, and another 100 goes begging for Bangladesh.
Wide on the crease, left alone, and he will walk off. Excellent day for Bangladesh. Done a terrific.
Oh!
Knocked him over. Bolt finishes things for New Zealand, and finally some relief. Shuraful loses his off stump. Bolt picks up 4, and the marathon effort from New Zealand is over.
Marathon effort from New Zealand and marathon effort from Bangladesh. 458 runs. There's a lot of runs, and 176.2 overs is deep into 130 runs now. Again, it's full from Bolt. Shapes away ever so slightly. It's a little...
Oh, it swung. He was late on it, going to leave it. And he's a big appeal to start.
He's played that a few times, Will Young. Just drops the bat on it, soft hands. And that'll be his 50. Will Young, well played. Back-to-back 50s for him. He's developing into a fine cricketer and an opener for New Zealand.
On the pads this time. Nets close and given.
Okay, close to the inside edge. Check ultra edge next, please.
Left alone by Rachin Ravindra. And that will be stumps on day 4. Oh, he's knocked him over! It's the perfect start. It's Abaddon. He's got 5. He's got Taylor. Can you believe it? What a start. What a delivery. Bangladesh on top.
Keep that confidence levels high within these.
In the air and taken. What a catch that is from the left arm seamer. Evernott's got 6. Jameson's on his way. And that is an outstanding piece of fielding. Wow. Bangladesh on top of their game. And this morning is turning into a disaster for New Zealand.
And when confidence levels are high, you can do things like this, Mac. You can achieve the unachievable, poached out of the air. Shuraful, he wouldn't have taken one like that in his life. And he's done it as Bangladesh are bowling themselves to a test match win, a famous one.
That was it. Bolt goes after it. And, oh, that is magnificent! You've been great all innings, all game, Bangladesh, and why stop now? New Zealand will have to attack here. So, as far as Bangladesh is concerned, if New Zealand is going to attack, they will attack the stumps. Runs will come.
Edged! Oh, what a catch from Ross Taylor. There's life in the old dog yet. That is an absolute beauty. Moving away to his right, he's taken it in one hand.
Well, Bay Oval on an absolute specky. He has moved like a man in his 20s, Ross Taylor.
There it is. Finds the gap. And Bangladesh have finally conquered the World Test champions.